Many years ago, we did a data-based research study of our data. It's our data across hundreds of thousands of people, and I can't remember how many years ago it was, quite a few. But I think the data still holds true today, and let me share it with you, and then tell you what that therefore means. We did a study across all of our distributors, and we sliced and diced them versus those who have any degree of residual income, from a few pennies or a few dollars through to large and impressive and unbelievable checks. So as long as you had any degree of residual income, we compared that group with those that did not. Now, you'd expect those with some degree of business manifestation, positive result from their business efforts, to stay slightly longer than those that do not. I get that. Our average person, whether they have residual income or not, stays significantly longer than the industry average because our products just work. In fact, we have a whole bunch of ex-distributors no longer engaged in the business, still using the product because, guess what? The products work. But I was surprised at the significant difference in lifespan or expected lifespan of those who have any degree of residual income. And if you're mathematically inclined, we resolved it away from what size the income was. So statistically significant irrelevancy was what size the income was. If you had any degree of residual income based on the efforts of others, you stayed on average 9 times longer, 900% more time than those who did not. That's not a near miss, that's a huge difference. So for average length of time, for example, is a year, then average length of time and activity is 9 years for someone that has any degree of residual income. So therefore what? What's the action point for you and I? It's this. As part of our initial 30, 60, 90, immediately at and post that strategy session, getting started session, find a way to help them get some residual volume or some residual income from someone else's effort. Help them sponsor someone else, because they will then be your partner, your customer, your downline active member for 9 times longer than if they had not. I think that's a great use of your time. I think that's a huge return on investment for that time you've spent. Now, you can't make them do that. You can't make someone else join them for that benefit for them. I understand all that. But knowing that data, knowing the value of that to you and to them and to their people going forward, should inform you as to what therefore to focus on, so that you can create that result for them, which also creates that same result compounded by all the many more people you have for you. 9 times longer lifespan if they have any degree of residual income. Think on that and adjust maybe or reprioritize those things you're working on accordingly. It'll be worth it.